Hello and welcome. Thank you for tuning into the Summit. We have a fascinating story today. The criminal case between Sam Madison and Manny PVC, where allegedly Mr. Sam had intentionally dropped Manny from Mount Cheahaw. After recovering from the said fall, Manny has decided to push for a lawsuit for attempted murder. Mr. Carmela Harrison, can you tell us more about Sam's response to the trial?
Sorry, Mr. Frump, but a news story has caught our attention. Moon service bots. Our field reporter Logan Lawson is with the Gears Inc. engineering department to tell us more about it.
I'm Logan Lawson here with Jordan Pierce, Gears representative. Thank you so much for your time.
Definitely.
Can you inform us on this machine you guys are building?
Yeah. The R15 Selene is designed to do multiple tasks. The robot will collect moon rock, repair solar panels, and deploy antennas.
What made y'all start this interesting project?
Well, the BEST competition. BEST is a national robotics competition that engages students grades 6 to 12. The goal is to inspire and motivate students to pursue careers in STEM. Each year, the BEST challenges teams to design and build a robot to complete a specific task. The program provides a kit of materials, but it is up to the students to use their creativity and engineering skills to innovate solutions.
Interesting. So you guys are mixed in on child labor.
Oh, no. Technically, each one of my employees are working voluntarily and are getting paid with learning opportunities.
Can you inform us what your engineers are doing right now?
Definitely. My engineers are currently working on a prototype of the R15 Selene. We won't bother them because they're working in their natural habitat, and they go on break in about 7 hours.
Well, we'll leave them alone for now. We appreciate you telling us about your company and about how BEST Robotics works. That's all we have time for right now. Next, on the Summit, Local Alabamian has some interesting facts about Godzilla.
Godzilla is a giant radioactive monster that they're trying to hide from you. The government's trying to hide you.
All right, sir. I think we're out of time now. That was very, very